I'm trying to hold this steady. I don't know what I did. I was holding steady in the other one. Hey guys, I just came off a live video in the other group, so I'm trying to get this steady again. Okay, so I just want to tell you guys, hello, let's welcome Monday. Do you have your meal prepped? Do you have your calendar set up? Do you have your challenge tracker set up? If you're not a part of the challenge tracker and you want to be a part of it, make sure you drop your email below and I'll put you in the challenge tracker. It's just an extra accountability because I know the group is very busy. Some people just rather just do the challenge tracker because the Facebook notifications can be real. I'm trying to think what, oh, and Carl Deichler is posting in the challenge tracker too. It'll get us practicing for the Health Bet Challenge, which starts in January. You get paid as long as you post your shakes and your workouts, which is awesome. So, do you have your challenge tracker set up? Do you have your 21-Day Fix app downloaded? Do you have your MyFitnessPal downloaded just in case you're worried you're not eating enough, or making sure you're eating in the right bracket and things like that? Do you have your meal prep ready? Do you have your fitness calendar out so you can start checking off? Speaking of which, I need to buy and unlock the bonus part of Quarter Force. Yeah, because I'm going to be doing month 2, which is with an agility ladder. Oh my gosh. So, just making sure you guys are set up and ready to go for Monday. I'm really excited and honored. If you are in here and you're still like not on a program yet, I know some are kind of like on the fence on what to get or teetering, make sure you get with me and your coach. The 21-Day Fix, 21-Day Fix Extreme, Beachbody On Demand, I think Country Heat, and 22-Minute Hardcore. They're like our lowest programs. They're literally $10 with a bag of Shakeology. If your Shakeology is about to ship, which I think some of you are, make sure you get with me or your coach and we get you on the discount because we much rather you save money. Keeping it real. I know I like to save money. So I think I got it all covered. Any of the questions or concerns, please drop it below. Please message me or your coach. Don't forget to put your before pictures in the group. I promise this group is quite private, but in the event that you don't want to do that, send it to your coach. You're going to be so thankful. I'm so mad at myself I didn't take more pictures. I am. I wish I took more pictures because on the days that you struggle, you'll go back to those pictures and you'll see like you are changing, you are transforming. And make sure you have someone else take the pictures or do it on a self-timer. Make sure you're in good lighting. If you scroll down, there's a video on how to measure yourself and how to take those before pictures. Yeah, because you'll need it. Because at the end of the 30 days, or if your program is 21 days, or it's 60 days, you can submit it to Team Beachbody and you'll get either a free t-shirt. I think the 22-Minute Hardcore comes with a coin. One of them comes with a tank top. So different programs come with t-shirts and tanks and a coin, whichever program you're doing. I'm trying to think what else. That's it. So let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Are you ready? Who's super pumped? I know I'm super pumped. I'm really excited. Yeah, I'm just really excited. And just to be a part of you all every single day, it's truly an honor. I wake up thinking about you guys. I go to bed thinking about you guys. I feel like you're like my family. So I love you guys. I wish you all the success and love. I'll be popping in videos. Feel free to pop in videos too. If you're struggling, feel free to do part of your workout in the group. Go live. It'll motivate us to push play. I think I did that last month with my 5 minutes of, I think I might do that more often with my 5 minutes. Anyways, I love you guys. I want you guys to succeed, and I'll talk to you guys soon.